Hey you guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial. I know you guys are loving this hair. I hope you're loving this hair as much as me. Y'all know how I feel about my highlights. So today's wig is from Nadula Hair. It is their Kinky Curly Highlight Wig, human hair 13x4 transparent lace front wig with honey blonde highlights. The density of this hair is 150%, so she is super full, but she is also super soft, you guys. The curl pattern in itself is absolutely beautiful. So if you guys want to see how I was able to achieve this look, then just continue to watch. Alright, so you guys already know I am installing this wig 100% glueless, but I'm going to give you guys a quick unboxing because Nadula Hair sent so many goodies along with this wig in particular to make sure that you have a flawless wig install. So here is the wig. Once again, this wig is from Nadula Hair. It is their Kinky Curly Highlight Wig, human hair, 13x4 transparent lace front wig with honey blonde highlight. I believe I have this in either 22 or 24 inches, but check the description box. I will have all the information right at the top for you guys. The lace is a Swiss brown lace and it is 150% density. This hair is 100% virgin hair, tangle free, no shedding, and it's soft and bouncy, which you guys should have saw in the beginning. This hair is absolutely beautiful. Alright, so now I'm just going in with my wax stick and my hot comb because I'm going to slick this baby back. Now this is a kinky curly wig, so I am not using that hot comb throughout the hair because I do not want to ruin the texture. I'm only doing it at the very front. Once I finish that, I'm going to cut the lace from around my ears, make sure the wig is laying flat and it's also laying exactly how I would like it. Then I'm going to secure it with the Ebin adhesive spray. I've been using the red bottle, you guys, and I've been loving this one. The yellow one kind of gives me a little bit of complications because I have to go in with the spray like more than once, but the red bottle, it works. So after letting the elastic band sit on for like 15 minutes, I'm combing out the edges of that lace because we do not want crispy edges. That is not cute. So after I finish doing that, I'm going to get rid of all that additional lace that I do not need, and I'm going to get as close to the hairline as possible. So once I finish getting rid of all that additional lace, I'm going in with the end of my rat tail comb and I'm just spraying a little bit of that Ebin adhesive spray on the comb and dabbing it onto the lace because I really want that lace to be melted. And then I'm also going to go in with my makeup as well to make the lace look a little bit more like my skin color. All right, she is melted, she is looking good, so it is time to style the hair. Now I am not doing baby hairs. If you were doing like a half up, half down, maybe you would want to add a little bit of baby hairs, but I'm letting the hair down because I really want her curl pattern to just flourish. So what I will tell you guys is that this hair is so full, the curl pattern is so beautiful, but because it is a kinky curly texture, you really want to take your time. So for styling, I first went in with my middle part because I'm doing a middle part today. I went in with my wax stick and my hot comb to make the top of that lace super flat. Then when it came to really enhancing those curls and getting them to pop, I sectioned the hair into 3 sections. Whenever it comes to like kinky straight, kinky curly wigs, I treat it just like how I would with my natural hair. So I take my time as far as detangling and all that good stuff. So sectioning the hair really helped. That way I was able to really focus on getting those curls to pop and detangling. So I used water and I also used mousse. That is the only products that I put on this hair. All right, you guys, so what do you think? Easy enough, right? The hair in itself is absolutely beautiful. It's so bouncy, it's so full. I did not have any tangling, I did not have any shedding, I did not have any complications when it came to styling this hair or just installing this wig in itself. And as you guys saw, I definitely used some water and a detangling brush because this is a kinky curly wig. So just make sure that you treat this wig with respect because whenever it comes to curly hair, especially kinky curly hair, you want to make sure that you are being as gentle with the hair in general because you do not want to ruin that beautiful texture. I want to thank Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video, and I also want to thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you check the description box. Everything is right at the top for you guys. That'll be all for today. I love you, and I will see you next time.